Alright, how's it going, YouTube? So I want to give you guys a quick update on the Exceed. I'm sorry about the driving noise. So I'm gonna give you under the hood look. So this is how I got it set up for right now. I put that rocket motor in here. That's that 1650 kV. So on 4S right now. I got the Armor mount to work in there. I put the Mamba Monster in there. So we're gonna test it out. Y'all stay tuned for that. That's the setup. I had to run. Sorry about the noise. I had to run. The wires were short, so I had adapters. I just hit that with that. I put my cat pack up here. ESC fit perfectly there. I do need to set up a better battery tray. I got one, but it's not gonna fit here. So what I might do is build some side skirts for the side. I might need some carbon fiber. That's what I want to build it out of. If not, I'm gonna hit up Jeff at RC Speed Monster, see if he can build me some trays for the side. I'm gonna use those as batteries. But that's not the setup. I might leave the motor here depending on how it do. But as far as ESC, we'll see. So y'all stay tuned and let's go out and see what happens. All right, YouTube. So what we're gonna test out, a little test area. It's off. Gotta sub-trim it out real quick. Sorry about that, guys. Sounds smooth. Tires are slippery because it's cold out. Rubber tires. I did bring the GPS out. Might strap it on the back, see what it's hitting. I did bring 6S as well. Got the brakes up a little too high. Sorry about that, y'all. Taking off nice and straight though. I am waiting on a spur gear for this. It's to stop pinning in here right now. Brake's still up too high. Alright, y'all, let's get one more hit it. I'm gonna see if I can put the GPS up there. If not, I'm gonna put it on 6S. Alright, guys. Alright, YouTube, got the GPS up there. It's zeroed out. Hopefully y'all seeing that. I didn't want to cut that. But timer started. This ain't no real speed run. Just want to see where we at. Yeah, it's clocking. Sure. Nah, we're not getting no speed. Let me restart it again. Make sure it, Alright, we getting speed, man. Oh, my wheel came off. Good thing I got the nut right there. Alright, y'all, give me a second. Alright, guys, sorry about that. So, zeroed out. Let's see if we get a pass in now. Timer is started. Wide open. Wide open. There. 46, that's not bad. Let's stretch it one more time. See if we get a hit and coming back. Wide open. Alright, we got 46.2. That's on 4S, so let's see if we can get the 6S up in there. See what happens. Alright, YouTube, we back. We on 6S, so let's go ahead and zero this out. I probably won't be able to get up to full speed, but let's see what happens. Timer started. I wasn't really trying to come here to test, but somebody was in the other spot. Oh, they open up now. Definitely moving. Let's get one more. I was full. I didn't get to hold it as long, but that was full. Alright, let's see what she did. I did 53. Not bad. Especially me not holding it. See if you get one good run and beat that 53. Oh. Broke it. Alright, y'all, I'm down here, and from the looks of it, like my wheel nut came off again after it hit. Smack like right around here. A battery popped out. That ain't major. But my wheel nut is what I lost, and I think I broke that bottle. Because all of the splashes is up under my car. But, I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna find that wheel nut. I lost so many wheel nuts recently. But anyway, thanks for tuning in, and y'all stay tuned for more from this. Oh, I didn't even get to see what we did. We did 53. We didn't even beat the damn number.